In this session, we're going to look at cascading items. So first of all, we're going to say utilities, setup, company details. We're going to click on default settings 1 and normally enable cascading. The option is off. In our case, we're going to switch this option on. This option is going to allow you to link two items together. You'll have a main item and you'll have a bulk item. The bulk item, in the case, the example that I'm going to show you, is going to be the item that's going to be linked. If I talk about a linked item, that means it's not a main item. That linked item will actually not carry any transactions, but you can use that link item to buy stock. For instance, if you're buying your goods and on that supplier invoice the item appears saying 2 cases of Coke, that actually means that you will be buying 48 single cans of Coke. Let me show you how to create these items. So I'm going to say enable cascading items and I'm going to say accept and yes, and then we're going to go to stock maintenance. Under stock maintenance, I've already created 2 items, the single item and the Fanta case. We are going to link the Fanta case to the single. So the single item is going to be our main item. I'm going to click on Fanta case and I'm going to say edit. Report to item and item conversion rate will now appear because we switched it on under default settings 1 that we said we would like to use cascading items. Under report to item, I'm going to click on the down arrow. I'm going to click Fanta single. And then your conversion rate has to be how many cans of single Cokes will there be within this case. In other words, your conversion rate and your pack size is normally the same. What we will now do is we will multiply the 1 case you buy with this conversion rate. So in other words, if we buy 1 case of Coke, you will automatically have 24 items. I can sell a single case or a single item or a case. If I sell a Fanta case, it will deduct 24 singles off my single Fanta item. Now, in other words, my pack size for the single is 1 and my pack size for my Fanta case is 24. If I edit the item, I've reported it to my single and I've specified my conversion rate. In a later or another session, I will show you how to sell these 2 items. And that will conclude the explanation on how to create and use cascading items.